Hey, caregiver. Let's talk about cognitive issues. Our cognitive health affects our ability to make decisions and remember things. Yes, sometimes cognitive issues can be really funny, but most of the time they're just scary, both for the person who's experiencing them and for the family that's watching. When you're dealing with cognitive issues, things like dementia or Alzheimer's disease, there is a different layer of anticipatory grief when you're losing people piece by piece. They start to forget names and dates and places, and then they're forgetting your face, your name. They're very hard transitions to navigate emotionally. And then you have to deal with the practicality of taking care of this person that can no longer take care of themselves. We want to be careful when we are throwing around accusations of cognitive impairment. We need to make sure that there are real issues. We don't want to cause big deals over slight memory losses. We want people to maintain their independence for as long as possible. So here are 4 signs that you can look out for to know whether you should be concerned. 1. Forgetting recent events or conversations. Occasionally, no big issue. On a regular basis, might want to start paying a little bit more attention to what's going on. Confusion about time or place. Can you tell me your name? What's your date of birth? Where are we right now? What month is it? What year? These are typical questions that you ask in every neurological assessment, assessing that the person knows who they are and where they are. And if a person is not able to remember who they are or where they are, it's time for them to see a doctor. Another one is difficulty making decisions. People know. They know when something's not right with them. We know when something's not right with us. So they'll do things like pretend like they're still sleeping or pretend like they don't understand you because they don't want you to know that they don't know the answer to your question. And number 4, uncharacteristic mood swings or social withdrawal. These can be indications of depression or something deeper going on. Either way, it's time to see a doctor. It's time to do a little bit of digging, a little bit more assessing to figure out what's the problem. And better yet, how can we help? If you notice any of these, it's time to involve a doctor or a specialist. Cognitive decline usually progresses over time, and early intervention is key. If you're just starting on a caregiving journey, or you notice that your parent is starting to need a little help and you might need some help soon, go to my Linktree. I've got a free guide for you. Download First Steps to Set Up Senior Care. It's in my Linktree. Everything's in my Linktree. I'll put the link in the description. Love you. Bye.